Okay, I see escaped there. They're just looking at nothing. Guys, help me! Let's go! Yoshi, helping you. They think that they can hold me off. Ow! Whoa! Okay. Chaos Emeralds, you shall be mine. Ah! Come on. Ah. Oh, yes! He's grabbing all the Chaos Emeralds. Whoa! Goodbye, Sonic and friends. Under here? Nope. Well, see ya. I'm gonna be starting to look for the Paradox Prism. Okay, I'm here. Let's go look for the Paradox Prism with my Chaos Emeralds. Or I might leave them there. It's okay, Sonic and friends. Get it? That dude just said Sonic and friends. It's supposed to be Movie Sonic, Pirate Parrot, Yoshi, Silver, and Shadow. Ugh. I don't know what to do. Pirate Parrot also doesn't know what to do. He's heading straight for the Paradox Prism. But remember what I said last time? I said that Eggman loses and we win. But what if that all changes? Well, there's nothing to do. Ugh, just can't believe it. We might actually lose. I knew this team would work for us. Nope. I don't even know what to do also. I just want to take a nap. Oh. What are we gonna do? Eggman's gonna win. We don't even know what the plan might be. I don't even know. This is bad, Movie Sonic. Were you about to call me Sonic? Yeah. But just be quiet, alright? I am tired of you trying to get in my way. And just, you need to be quiet. Alright. Pirate Parrot needs Shadow to calm down. Be quiet, you parrot. I barely even know who you are. Okay, can you just be quiet for once? And, Pirate Parrot needs you to be quiet. Be quiet, you bossy little parrot. Oh, okay. Now Shadow is just being ruthless. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. What is happening? I have no idea, Yoshi. Paradox Prism, where are you? In here? Nope. Ew, that smells like poop. It's cereal, bro. Oh, what did I come up here? Dude, you made the wrong mistake. Yeah, what do you think you are doing? Look at my big nose. My nose is basically almost bigger than you. Your nose is short. Oh, okay, finally you say something rude to Yoshi. Wow. You know that I'm still getting you. I forgot about that. Yeah, you might want to run. Because why? Ah! Oh! Don't do that to me ever again. Wow. Shadow is trash talking to him. Yup, Shadow is trash talking to Eggman. I don't even know what trash talking even is. Same. Dude, smells like a chili dog. For sure. Wait. I don't even know what to do. Well, Yoshi. I'm trying to think. That the Paradox Prism is gonna be Eggman soon. Basically, yeah. Alright, Pirate Parrot says we need to figure out a plan to defeat Eggman. And we don't even have a plan. Now Parrot's just trying to be lazy and just falling asleep. Dude, stop. Meanwhile, the cameraman. Okay, so I don't even know that Silver is a lazy. I'm not lazy. I think you kind of are, Silver, because you're not even fighting. And it's been like 8 minutes. It's been like 8 minutes. It's been more than 8 minutes since all of this happened. For like 1 hour. Okay, can you be quiet for once? Okay, fine. Pirate Parrot's gonna throw you off a cliff. Wait, what? Yeah, okay. I just dropped an and I just forgot that I can't fly. What do you think you're doing? I will show you what I'm doing once you be quiet. Because Pirate Parrot doesn't like Eggman trying to steal Pirate Parrot's friends. Ow, 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 ow. You leave me no choice, but the Chaos Emeralds are mine. No, they're not. Yes, they are. Once I combine them, the Master Emerald will rise up, and I don't know why people call it the Chaos Emerald with Chaos Emeralds inside of it. That is so weird. I just call it the Master Emerald. But you call it the Chaos Emerald before. I know. Alright, Pirate Parrot. I think Master Emerald might work to go find the Paradox Prism, which leads to me winning. Ow! What the heck was that? Don't even think about it. Pirate Parrot. We'll keep fighting you. To be continued.